and that's why dogs should be allowed to vote.
Oh, hey guys. Charge phase here. Here, opening some more packs of Magic. Part 1 ran a little long. Cut that shit down. So we still have 2 packs of the collector's packs and 1 more booster box of Ikoria to open. So we'll do, these are the fire. So we'll do these last. I'll put them over here, and we'll start with this bad boy. 36 packs, not enough. Yeah, I'm here with the boys still. I have Ron, Paul, and Brian.
Hello. Alright.
Pretty much only Ron plays Magic, but the other guys are interested enough. Let's see what our fancy Ikoria box topper is.
I like anything that's not blue.
Anything that's not blue for Ron. I'll take anything that's not blue for 400, Alex.
I like the artwork.
I'm trying to open this without, like, annihilating the single card inside. Yeah, all the lions.
Some of the artwork is a hit or miss.
Yeah, I guess they never miss. Alright, what is it? Wha-bam! It's foil baby Godzilla!
Oh, yeah.
God, baby Godzilla, Ruin Reborn. The Poliwag symbiote. That's hilarious. And then we still had, these from the first time around. Okay. Garbage?
Oh, no, guys.
What, Paul?
You really need to work out your spacing. I'm going to put in Barble time.
Paul, we're recording.
You can catch it later.
Alright, pack number 1. I noticed that, so they have all the rares in the front now, which is interesting, because they used to be in the back. So we got a shark token, which is cool. I like that. Put that aside, move the Godzilla.
Brian, I sent you memes.
Swiftwater Cliffs. Frost Lynx, okay. Oh, another Kogla. Another Kogla.
Another monkey.
Another monkey. And then uncommons, who cares?
Oh my god, my tools are here.
Essence Scatter, that one's pretty good.
I'll be right back. I have mail.
Give me one sec.
Mail's mail.
Okay.
I did not know UPS orders.
Have more tokens. These are pretty cool. Menace, First Strike, Hexproof, Lifelink, 1/1, and Reach. What the falls? I'll just put this shit over here. Who cares? You have a foil Deadweight. That card's kind of cool. What else we got? Ooh.
Wait, you said Deadweight?
Deadweight is a card, yeah.
I'll take that.
It's a foil Deadweight.
That's for the memes.
Yeah, that's, you know what? You're welcome to it. And we got a Jeskai Triome, boys.
Oh boy.
We got our first one. That's for me. Put that with the monkey. Lead the Stampede. Another Poliwag Symbiote. And a Pouncing Shore Shark. The card's hilarious, by the way. In case anyone hasn't taken a great look at it, it's a great white shark with fucking arms.
Terrible. Awful. Horrible.
You like that card.
So what does that do?
So that one, let's see. It's a 4/3 for 4 and a blue. It mutates for 3 and a blue, and it has flash. It says whenever this creature mutates, you may return target creature an opponent controls to its owner's hand. So I think Ron was actually the one that told me some more people were playing it, where you pretty much just flash it at the end of your opponent's turn, bounce something, and then, you have a 4/3 on your turn, which sounds kind of nice. I'm only keeping some of these aside.
I'll be right back.
All right. And the lands and the tokens we're going to move. Keep everything organized. Okay. Any showcases in here? Nope. Okay, we're going to try and speed through. Ooh. Hello? There we go. More human soldier. Another planes. Another crystalline giant. What are you gonna do? Cards. It's at least neat. We've auspicious Sterix. I'll hold on to. Now I'm mixing up my own piles. Anything in here? No. Okay. Fuck it. We'll keep these here and these here. Okay. Dinosaur token. Got a Swamp. And another Zagoth Triome. The universe is just fucking telling me to play Sultai, I guess. Look through for anything good.
What are you trying to pull?
I mean, ideally, another Yadaro. Well, another 2 Yadaro. That would be ideal because I have 2 already. As many of the Jeskai Triomes as I can get. Luris would be cool because that card's worth a lot. Fiend Artisan would be cool. Maybe some of the Shark Tornadoes. That's garbage. Swamp. Bam. Whoa. Foil, full art, well, showcase art. Indatha Triumph. It's the Abzan one. Ron, I hate you so much. This is your fault. You like Abzan. You like Abzan, and now I'm. I have like a play set, and 2 of them are showcase, and 1's foil.
That sounds like your fault.
You know, I'm choosing to blame you. We got the Ozolith.
Okay. That's fine.
Ozolith, cool. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Showcase Insatiable Hemophage. It's a nightmare. It's a card for Brian. More dinosaur token. Land. Hey, Whirlwind of Thought. An okay enchantment. I really like this card. I don't know how good it is in Standard. I'm expecting not very, but it's cool and I like it. See, Prey. Yeah. What are you looking for, Ron? What stuff do you want me to pull?
I want you to pull the things that you want so you can play the deck that you want.
Disgusting. Disgusting.
I don't look to other people for pulls.
Well, I meant, I don't know, if there was anything cool that you would want.
I mean...
What cards do you like from the set?
I don't know. Okay, so hot take.
Yep.
I think the set's pretty fucking garbage.
Yeah?
Yeah.
In what way? Foil Parcel Beast is cool.
It contains nothing that I'm like super excited for. The mechanic that I thought was really cool didn't really get supported. The colors that I play cohering with that style that I like to play just isn't there. And overall, I think it's like the most popular cards from the set are pretty degenerate.
I mean, I think Fiend Artisan is a little scary. I think Yadaro is a little scary. Even fucking Shark Tornado is a little spooky. But
This is like ruining formats.
I don't know about that. Whoa, foil Snapdax. That's pretty cool. Snapdax is cool, man.
Did you get what you wanted, Ian?
A little bit. I have I think 1. No, I have 1 of the Jeskai Triomes. Nice. And we have a Titan's Nest. Too many Titan's Nests and too many Death's Oasis. Because those cards are not cards that I want. Let's see, the Boneyard Lurker is pretty good. Another Almighty Brushwag. We did it. Cute little fluffy boy.
Does that make a playset?
No, I think that's actually only like 2.
Well, when you get a playset, let me know.
Yeah? You're going to play the fluffy boy?
No, I'm just going to scream at the top of my lungs.
You're gonna scream. Yeah, I'll make sure to omit that detail when that happens. Dinosaur token. A mountain. What do we got? Oh, wow. A mountain next to a foil mountain. Woo! Woo! Behind the foil mountain. Mythos of Bracos. More big, stinky poopy.
Wow.
Wow. You sound like a character in a fucking cartoon. Wow.
Sorry.
Lois. Do you want me to tell everyone that you're Peter Griffin, or should I not tell them that?
Don't fucking tell him.
No, why is he like Peter? Why is that Peter Griffin, but like baked out of his mind?
It is, and it's also he's just a brain
Oh,
jar.
Lois, yeah, I tried salvia. Oh,
That's not funny. That's not funny.
oh, Lois, it's fucking with me. Peter Griffin, but a pothead. Ooh, Bonder's Enclave. Fuck yeah, that card's crazy good. Pew. Bastion of Remembrance, another Sterix. Necropanther, that's pretty neat. The full art there. The showcase. Putting shit in the wrong pile now. Damn it, Ron.
That's your fault.
You're right. It is. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Essence Scatter. Very good side deck card. Okay. Let's go through. Paul, I want you to know I'm taking aside every lion and holding on to it for you.
I appreciate you.
Ooh, Narset of the Ancient Way token? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I like these. These are cool. I'm holding on to them. I know you're but I'm the Jess guy, boy.
Ugh.
Fuck you. Son of a bitch!
I can't wait for for the videos to come out and we don't come through, so it just sounds like you're talking to yourself.
No, I double checked. They can hear you.
Oh, God damn it.
Fuck, Ron, I got another Showcase Triome. That's Mardu again. So I think that's 2-3 Mardu, 2 or 3 Abzan, and Sultai. 1 Jeskai. I want to die. Skull Pop Prophet. That's pretty good. Essence Scatters again. You know, I really only bought these boxes because I wanted to get a play set of Cathartic Reunion. You know, it being a common, I figured there was no other way than to buy 2 boxes.
I mean, you should, if you're going to be playing Cathartic Reunion, then you get the ones from Kaladesh.
There's one in Kaladesh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The one where Chandra's hugging her mother.
Oh, is that what that is? That's sweet.
Yeah.
What did I say? Death's Oasis. Too many Death's Oasis. This card sucks. I think this card is so bad. Titanoth Rex. Yo, I bet he's smelly.
Okay.
Interesting take for sure.
That's not what I think of when I look at that card. But
Yeah?
okay.
What do you think of when you look at that card, Ron?
I'm like, damn, that boy big.
That boy chonky. How many punches do you think you could get before he stomps you to death?
How many do you think I can get in?
Yeah. How many punches?
Probably an infinite amount because he won't feel me punching him.
It'll just feel like the wind. He'll just keep walking.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, you'll wear him down. You'll do it. And the island, Eerie Ultimatum. It's the Abzan Ultimatum. All right, Ron. You know what? You're fucking playing Abzan, and you don't get a choice in the matter.
Okay.
I'm gonna hand you a fucking Abzan deck, and you're gonna play it.
Okay.
Okay, good. You heard it confirmed on the video, guys. No takebacks. Farfinder. Farfinder's cute, man. It's the colorless fox, little fox fairy looking dude. I like it. Oh, Blood Curdle. That's a Brian card. Just a fucking evil ass wolf. Okay. Ooh, hell yeah. Another shark token. Another flying shark token. I'm going to hold on to that. I'm behind the land. Yes! Yadaro number 3! We do it. Oh, fuck yeah. Love me some Yadaro. And I'm pretty sure the card's like $20 too. Ooh, Showcase Parcel Beast. Very nice. That card is pretty cool. Actually, I like that card a lot. Too bad it's like the best mutate card and it's in Simic and I refuse to play Simic. But I know Ron's got my back there.
Fuck Simic.
I'm just tired of it. It was cool when I first saw it. I'm like, oh, Simic Ramp. Oh, this is cool. And then it was like a playable deck for like 2 years, and I'm like, all right, you know what? Relax.
I mean, I was cool with it right around the time, right before Uro came out. Once Uro came out, I was like, okay, this needs to fucking stop.
You're like, all right, cease, please.
Yeah,
all right.
Simic Ramp, I was like okay with it first, but Simic Flash, I was okay with at first.
Right. We got Nethroi, Apex of Death.
Oh boy!
Oh boy!
I cast that card exactly 0 times in our testing.
You what?
I never casted that motherfucker.
In our testing, you never casted it once?
No.
Well, we gotta test more then.
He's too expensive.
He's a little expensive, but his effect kind of is really good.
I mean, yeah, but like
there was
7 mana to mutate.
I mean, yes, but there was a deck I saw that I think it was Sultai or something. I don't remember what it was, but it was it was black and then green or white and blue. And so it ran the Polywog, so mutating costs went down by 1. And a fuckload of cards that had 0 power but good effects. And like ETB effects as well. So you play Nethroi and then you just, and you mill a bunch. And then you play like 20 creatures from your graveyard because all of them have 0 power. So you haven't reached 10 yet. And it was actually kind of cool. You just resolve Nethroi once.
Really janky.
What is this? Foil Blitzleech. We're not drafting. Fuck that card. Ooh, Mythos of Vedrok. A card I really like and probably won't see play, but I like it a lot. Because I like Jeskai, and that was a secret. The Crystal. Channeled Force, another card that like is almost good, but if it gets countered, you just lose the game. So, that's unfortunate. Okay, chugging along here.
Shark token is $5. That's hilarious.
What? Seriously? That's hilarious. Well, I have 2 now.
People bought it all out.
Gyruda. Well, because like that card's really good.
But it's a token.
No. I'm saying the Sharknado card.
Yes, but the token is $5.
I know. People want the token. What can I say, man? Stormwild Caprador is a very funny card.
Sharknado Typhoon. Shark Typhoon Extended Art, $5.
Okay. What's a regular Shark Typhoon?
10 cents.
It doesn't show. A regular is $3.20.
Okay. It is only a rare. Alright. Garbage. Ooh, Slitherwisp. Disappointing. I don't like Simic Flash or Dimir Flash. I'll hold on to the Parcel Beast. Evolving Wilds. I've got enough Evolving Wilds to build a fucking house.
Does the Evolving Wilds look good in this set?
It does actually. Let me pull it out.
Is it cooler than the one with the lava though?
Ooh, I don't remember the one with the lava. This one has lava in it, so.
Okay.
And like spiky crystals. This one's cool. I don't know. I like this. Yeah, I like how the only issue that comes around with Evolving Wilds is which art do I play?
The one with the lava.
Yeah.
The one with the cracked trees is dumb, but like the one with the lava looks really good.
More of these tokens. They're neat, but I have a ton now. Got a Swamp.
Cat dinosaur tokens?
What?
The cat dinosaur.
Cat dinosaur? I don't know if I got any cat dinosaur tokens.
Oh, those are adorable.
An Emergent Ultimatum, which is the Sultai one.
It's the Shark Human Soldier combo token is $5.
Ah, okay. That's because it's from the collector's pack, I think.
The regular one is $1.
Yeah. The dual-sided tokens are kind of cool. We'll see at the end when we open the last 2 collector's packs what we get in them. Migratory Greathorn, that card's kind of good. It's another ramper bamper. Okay, we got a beast. Just fucking elk beast. Bam. Ooh, another Kahira, the Orphan Guard. It's the Orphan Guard, yeah. Momentum, Wingspan, Channeled Force. Nothing. Okay, tokens. And our land. Ooh, Voracious Great Shark. Oh, somebody has to put their headphones in. Voracious Great Shark.
Sorry, let me adjust my sensitivity real quick.
Flash. This card's awesome. A big ass shark that just eats your spell when you play him. There is no boat big enough. Great flavor text. Let's see, I can probably tell who it is. When I... Okay, I think it's better now. Rudy Malik. Ooh, Boon of the Wishgiver. Trumpeting Gnar. Okay. Anything in here? Essence Scatter, I will grab. Okay. I really want to pull a normal Vodrock. I think I have all the other Apex boys. Let's see. Dino token. Dinosaur token is good. What'd you say you're looking for, Ron? Cat dinosaur?
Yeah, the cat dinosaur token.
Cat dino? We got... Oh, boy. A foil phase dolphin. That card sucks. Oh, Luca. This card is gross. This card is so nasty. Just his -2, just... You literally build an entire deck around it.
Mm-hmm.
Neutralize. Cunning Nightbonder.
Card good.
Card very, very good. Card scary. Card actually worries me a little bit.
It's not that good.
I was watching Day9 play a Naya tokens deck with Luca. So the only creatures you run in the main deck are End-Raze Forerunners. The big boars.
Ew.
So you constantly... Hey, it's better than... what's it called? The oh my god, Agent of Treachery. Wow. Ooh, a foil swamp. And Hunted Nightmare. That card's pretty good. Yeah, Void Beckoner. Archipelagore. Ooh, Showcase Lord Drakus. That's really cool. I like that a lot. That's going in my Jeskai Mutate deck. More Deadweight.
Oh, good. More Deadweight.
Oh, more Deadweight. You know, I could play this or... Oh, Big Zam. Not how I wanted to open that, but sure. Human Soldier. Final land. Okay, foil Ivy Elemental. What's our good card? Ugh, Indith the Triome. Another Abzan Triome. Would you look at that? That's so crazy.
You're talking to me like it's my fault.
Oh my god, Ron. It's just like, why would you do that to me? Porky Parrot, though. Porky Parrot is a beast. Porky Parrot, good. This is actually nuts. I can't believe you would do this to me, Ron. You said, you know what? Bibbidi Boppity, you only pull Abzan cards.
Bibbidi Boppity, give you the sloppity.
Please don't give me the sloppity. I never signed up for that.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
He's a liar.
I'm not. Oh my god, a third Inspired Ultimatum. It's the Jeskai one.
Okay.
And Migration Path, which is just better Circuitous Route. Splendor Mare, Sonorous Hellbonder, Bristling Boar. Thieving Otter, so cute. Oh, and a Showcase Vulpikeet. Okay, getting through. So, you know, I opened some of these packs like a Neanderthal, but that's just the way it is, okay? Human. What the hell?
I won't make a joke.
Mountain. Cub Warden. Oh, it's Showcase Cub Warden. That's kind of cool. It's a big-ass white tiger. Paul, how do you feel about tigers? I know you like lions, but...
Depends on their facial features and how, like, some designs.
Fair. Clash of Titans. Another bear trap. Giving them to Ron. As I said in the first video, Ron very much dislikes bear traps, so being his good friend, I'm going to take all the bear trap cards I can and throw them at him. Yeah. I mean, you're not wrong. Oh. Another companion slot token. Pretty cool. Put that aside. And the planes. Wabam. Wow. Showcase Brockhaus Apex of Forever. Dude, he's like always the Apex. Somebody's Discord be booping.
It was me.
Bastion of Remembrance, Pouncing Shore Shark, and Blitz the Thunder Raptor. Hell yeah. In case it wasn't obvious throughout these videos with the things that I'm putting aside, I really like Izzet and I really like Jeskai. What we got? More tokens. Woohoo. Uh-oh. I spoiled the rare. My bad. Luminous Broodmoth. Very cool card. I really kind of want the Mothra one because it's just cool as shit. Boon of the Wish Giver. Crystal. Ooh, Showcase Art Porcuparrot is actually nuts looking. What is that? Holy shit. Putting that aside. Anything. Oh my god, more bear traps. Run, run. Run for the hills. Whoops. Ooh, trash bags filling up. Human Soldier. Bam. Land. Bam. Another Quartzwood Crasher for my Gruul Fires deck.
Okay, it's bad. Never mind.
It's bad. Never. See, Ron's favorite color scheme is Gruul, but he also happens to hate the card Fires of Invention. So
It was a mistake.
if I play Gruul and I play Fires of Invention, he will attack me.
No, I won't. I just won't play.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'd rather you attack me at that point. Like, you punch me, but, like, then you actually play. Like, I'll take that.
Okay.
Okay, another token. Another land. Foil Humble Naturalist. A 1/3 for 1 and a green. Oh, okay, that's pretty terrible. And Karuga. Karuga. That's pretty good. I need that for Jeskai Fires. Ron's favorite deck.
Yes.
Mr. Step. Footfall Crater. Actually, so you know that the Jun deck I made with Croxa
No.
and Luris? Well, fuck you. I want to play Footfall in it because then every time Croxa comes out, he's speedy.
Not bad.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Migratory Greathorn. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. And then our showcase packs, or our collector's packs. One of which is Paul's. Human Soldier token. Forest. Colossification. Card's very funny. But I don't really plan on playing the Colossification Fling deck.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Why not?
Why don't you want to play it? Cloud Piercer.
Because it's too janky even for me.
There you go. It's hilarious, but not really about it. Okay, Human Soldier. Planes. Oh, another Lutri the Spell Chaser. Don't even think about it, Commander. Sorry. AKA, I don't know if that card will see play. Maybe in other formats. Probably not standard.
Probably not.
Sanctuary Smasher. I actually like Fight as One. I like that card. Okay. 4 packs left. I can do math, I promise. All these human tokens. And the land. Ooh. Foil Call the Death Dweller. I like that. And Song of Creation. We're just going to play Song of Creation. We're just going to play Teamer. We're going to wash out. No one cares. We're just going to play Teamer. We're going to kill everybody. Heartless Act. You know, it's only like my second Heartless Act in 2 boxes run.
That's really bad.
And it's an uncommon. Yikes.
Well, not common to see it. That's kind of the.
What the fuck happened here? Look at this pack. It's like all creased and shit. It was like trapped at the bottom. Hope the cards are okay. Let's see. Yeah, they look fine. Dinosaur token. Land. Hey, Shark Typhoon. That's what we like to see. It's our second one. Mardu Crystal. General's Enforcer. Nice. Another Evolving Wilds. Anything worth saving? Nope. 2 packs left. Garbage. And the land. Mythos of Snapdax. Not great.
You got any fucking Mythos of Nethroi?
Wow, actually I haven't.
Crazy.
Guess you're not playing Abzan. Sorry.
That's okay. I didn't want to play anyway.
Dire Tactics. It's okay. I've got enough Dire Tactics and Mana Rocks and the fucking Triomes, so. Mythos of Nethroi shouldn't be too expensive. You're the only one brave enough to play Abzan, Ron. Alright, last pack. Ladies and gentlemen, last pack in this box. We're going to go backwards. We're going to get rid of the fucking token. Dark Bargain. Boot Nipper. Careful with that one. Careful. Cathartic Reunion. Essence Symbiote. You know, I'll do it like this. Keep Safe. I love that card art. What is this shit? Checkpoint Officer. Phase Dolphin. Humble Naturalist. Whisper Squad. Oh, let me get rid of the land as well. Survivor's Bond. Blitz of the Thunder Raptor. I'm going to sneak that one out. Jubilant Skybonder. Unbreakable Bond. And our last mythic or rare is Extinction Event. Pretty good one, actually. That card's not bad. Okay. Not bad. I think I like the first box a little better. Oh, I don't know. It's about the same, actually. Alright, guys. Alright, Paul. Paul, pick right hand or left hand?
He's here right now.
He's here.
He's
Right hand? Yeah, well, you're talking over him, Ron. He said right hand. Okay, so this one is Paul's, right here. We'll open that one last. This one's mine.
That's weird.
Alright. We have a foil beast token, with the reverse side being a foil human soldier. Whatever. Foil Day Squad Marshal. Foil Keep Safe. Foil Wilt. Foil Unlikely Aid. Foil Ketria Crystal. Foil Reconnaissance Mission. Foil Mountain. Non-foil Calamax the Stormsire? What the shit is this? What the fuck is that?
What?
Calamax the Stormsire.
Is that a magic card?
It has a different set symbol. What? You want to be my guy in the chair real quick?
Yeah, give me a second.
Legendary creature, elemental dinosaur. Whenever you cast your first, it's one, and then it's a 4 cost, so it's 1 green, blue, red, so it's Teamer, of course. Whenever you cast your first instant spell each turn, if Calamax the Stormsire is tapped, copy that spell. You may choose new targets with a copy. Okay, it's a commander card. I was like, what the fuck? All right, so Calamix.
That's still wrong though. Like,
No, I think there's one of the slots in the collector's packs has a chance to be a commander card.
Oh, okay.
Something like that. Yeah, I was very confused. All right. Full art Song of Creation, of course. Full art foil Genesis Ultimatum. Pretty. Wow, Cloud Piercer. Oh boy. Pouncing Shore Shark. That art is cool.
Oh, this thing. Okay.
It's Dirge Bat. Oh, we got a Dirge Bat.
It's Batra.
Oh, we got a foil Dorat the Perfect Pet, and a Migratory Greathorn. Not bad. All right, last collector's pack.
So that one's mine.
Yeah. Oh, if I can get to the top. Here we go. This one's gonna be like everything I want. I want you to know that.
Okay.
No, it's not.
All right, we have the Beast Human token. Put it over here. Gust of Wind. Frenzied Raptor. Put it here. Suffocating Fumes. Fully Grown. Insatiable Hemophage. Majestic Oricorn. A Swamp. Spellpire Phoenix. That's your commander card. It's pretty cool. You got a full art Eerie Ultimatum. Not bad. And then a foil Eerie Ultimatum right behind it. Cavern Whisperer. Dreamtail Heron. Ooh, the showcase art Everquill Phoenix. That card is cool. And Paul, I'm excited to tell you that you also got a Space Godzilla Death Corona.
Oh, neat.
It's not foil, but it's still, first printing only. That's pretty sick. Yeah, you just gonna scream run?
I was yawning.
Oh no, I mixed them up. The Death Corona was in my pack, and Paul got Dorat, the Perfect Pet. Nah, I would not do that to you. But yeah, those were cool. As we saw in the first video, I also got a Death Corona. Pretty cool. And that is it. That's decent pulls. Let me just go back through the box pulls. See how many mythics we got. See if it holds up. The first box had 5 mythics. So this one, let's go through.
I'm actually going to take the opportunity to watch this. I'll be back, guys.
Luminous Broodmoth. Brakos. Luca. Nethroy. Ooh, Yadaro, my boy. My beautiful boy. Snapdax. Kinnan. Rosalith. Into the Triumph. That shit is so pretty. Rogan Triumph. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. Is that 6? Yeah, it's 6 mythics in that box.
Oh, nice.
All right. Well, that's going to do it for part 2 of this box opening. I think we did pretty well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.